People ask me why I keep going back to the mountains, and I never really had a good answer for them. What's so special about it? I've been to a lot of places, and every one of them brought something extraordinary. Cities that never stop, coastlines that don't feel real, forests so dense the light barely reaches the ground. Every one of them gives me something, a story, a feeling, a reason to keep moving. But the mountains are different. Up there, you experience silence. Not the kind where nothing's happening. The kind where everything else falls away, and it's just you and whatever's in front of you. The weight of the climb, the cold against your skin, the sound of your own breathing, and the little things that matter. And somewhere in that, the noise you carry with you every other day just stops. There isn't pressure, no eyes watching you. You're not trying to be anywhere else than exactly where you are, which is kind of the only place that happens for me. I think that's what it is actually. The world down here is constantly in motion, no time to breathe, everyone chasing something, building something, proving something, and the mountains don't care about any of it. They were here before you showed up, they'll be here long after you leave. And standing in front of something that permanent, that indifferent to everything you thought mattered, is the most honest mirror you'll ever find. I've stood on ridgelines at sunrise and felt more connected to everything than I've ever felt in a room full of people. Not because I'm running away from anything, I don't think. But being amongst something that spectacular, it reminds you what it actually feels like to be here. And there's something about that feeling of being completely insignificant and completely alive at the same time that I keep chasing. So yeah, I don't know why I keep going back. Maybe that's the whole point.